I'm Ria and this is my Land Rover Po. Hi, my name is Ria. I'm also known as Roaming Reckless online, and I'm from Michigan. This is my truck Po. He is a 1997 Land Rover Defender 110, ex-military vehicle. Served in the Royal Air Force in England, and I started a YouTube channel back in 2017. I was living in a Subaru Outback. I used to just travel around and live out of this super tiny space. And then I decided to upgrade to the Defender back in 2022, and it's been awesome just building that out. I'm on a 50-state road trip. I think I've got about 35 states done, so 15 states left. And then, yeah, after that, who knows where we're going? Maybe international, I don't know, you didn't hear from me, but yeah, we're just gonna take this thing around the world and see what we can get into. We love to off-road, overland. It's been a good time. So the story of how this all came to be is I was traveling all the time in and out of Europe. I thought I was going to be an international traveler, and I got surprised with a puppy for Christmas, my old dog Blue. And so I was like, how can I continue to travel and do what I love, but also take my dog with me, because I can't leave my dog 24/7 to go like gallivanting around the world. And this was kind of before the overlanding space kind of blew up to what it is now. Back then, sleeping in your vehicle was considered crazy, but I was like, I bet I could just camp inside my Subaru, because it's what I had, and I could just see all 50 states and take my puppy with me. And that was my way of traveling, but it was my solution to take my dog with me traveling. I have a very overprotective father who, like any dad, was probably like, you're doing what and sleeping where and what? And you better show me where you are, and you better tell me every night your location. And anyways, I loved making videos, and so I was like, oh, okay, I'll just make videos for my friends and family at the time. My early videos even were like, hey dad, I'm at the Grand Canyon today, like, and it just kind of snowballed from there. And now I do it full time. I heard about OK four-wheel drive at Overland Expo East. I met Jason, super fun guy. We had a good time, and yeah, it's been a blast getting to know these guys, and I'm so grateful. And so it's kind of crazy to me that I've been on the road full time for 7 years and I've never had an awning. So this is going to be truly life-changing for me, because usually what I do is I take my little camp chair out and I just chase the different sides of my truck that happen to have shade and weather. Like rain, it'll be so nice to have an awning to put up, and it doesn't matter what's going on outside. I can just sit under it, not get rained on, and have shade. And the shower cube, like, that's revolutionary for me, because I don't have to worry about anybody seeing me outside.
You've got a shower cube.
I know. Is this, you're trying to tell me I smell bad? Oh, look at this. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is so official. Wait, this is huge. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, this is epic. Wait, oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Yeah,
and
so
here's the shelf.
Yeah, there's the shelf. Those are stakes right here, right?
Oh, okay.
And then this part unzips to the window that you don't have there. And then you've got this that goes over the top. What do you think?
This is amazing. She's like, wait.
I'm gonna be...
Good girl, mama. Come here, baby. Yeah, my dogs are very important in my life, and I actually did a lot of work with Underdog Rescue in Moab. I was traveling through Utah and saw my first res dog, which if you guys don't know about, you should definitely research. It's kind of a crazy problem they have going on out there with a bunch of strays, but I did a fundraiser with my audience and we raised a bunch of money for them, and I always stayed in touch with that rescue. And then they had Taz here on their page one day. I've always wanted another Aussie, and so we picked her up, I think it was April of this year, and she's slowly but surely been coming out of her shell and turning into an adventure dog. She's getting there, but her name's Tasmania. Inside the truck, I have a super simple interior build. It was just a friend of mine and I at his house, just like neither one of us really knowing what we were doing, but yeah, it's basically just most of it is made out of plywood and set up so that I have storage underneath and so that I have a bed on the bottom where I can stealth camp if I need to. And then on the opposite side is like a cooking setup, a sink, and yeah. Then we have the Alu-Cab up top. It's all good.
The one above it, you mean?
Yep.
Yeah, you wanna crank it? Happy?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Like right when it's there, if you like pull all that in, and just give it a nice slap.
My issue is that I'm usually like, you know.
Upside down. Like if you can stop it like here, then you can do this.
Oh, okay. See, I just don't know what I'm doing.
Then you don't need to walk all the way.
What do you think?
I'm so geeked. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna use it all the time, especially in the summer. Don't worry, I'm an old pro.
Just gotta do some like this. Thank you.
Right? Or am I doing this in the wrong way?
No, you're doing it exactly right.
Okay.
Yep, so take that one. Sometimes you have to keep an eye on this fabric because it might snag.
This is the part I'm not tall enough for.
All right, yeah, what do you think?
It's whatever, you know? Do it all day. You guys this is crazy. I can't believe I've gone 7 years without knowing. Craziest thing that's ever happened to me on the road. Probably a couple months ago when I got robbed in New Jersey. Someone broke in and stole $10,000 worth of stuff in broad daylight. It was no fun. Stay safe out there. Best memory on the road, I would just say any of like the happy, healthy days with my old dog Blue, because he passed away this year from cancer. So that was really obviously very devastating for me. And so I would just say like any of the early memories of him being happy and healthy. Oh my gosh, you guys! This is gonna be so awesome to edit at.
You push it up and those little dials turn down, right?
Oh, wrong way.
Yep, there you go. And then what I do is I cinch those tight, just so that they're not kind of hanging down like that. You can do whatever you choose. You can hang stuff from it. You could hang clothes across it or something like that if you needed to dry something out if you're at camp for a while.
Oh yeah.
But you can tuck those however you need to. And
oh my gosh, this is amazing.
It'll make for a nice working space or entertaining space or something like that.
Heck yeah. I'm so excited. Yeah, thank you so much again to OK 4-Wheel Drive for absolutely hooking it up. I love you guys. You're the absolute best. Everybody go check them out. Obviously, you already are because you're watching this. Anyways, sorry, I'm so awkward. You can follow me online at Roaming Reckless, YouTube, Instagram. Actually, all the socials are at Roaming Reckless.
Will I take